Welcome back, everybody. As you can tell, I'm on the road already. Headed up north. I'm probably not going to film a whole lot tonight. Just want to get up there. We're staying at a relative of Lauren's. We're just going to use the driveway they have up there to truck camp on. It's going to be 3 of us, me, Ross, and our buddy Derek. So should be a good time. I'm going to be doing a lot of fishing tomorrow morning and don't know what to expect. Haven't fished the lake and trying something new. Hopefully make some good food and bring you guys along. So thanks for staying tuned. Greatly appreciate it. And also another awesome thing, we just hit 1,000 subscribers on the channel, so that's awesome. That's pretty cool to hit that, and I'm hoping just to keep it going. Keep them numbers going and keep getting videos out and have some stuff for you guys to watch, and hopefully you guys are enjoying it. So thanks a lot, and it sure means a lot to me. So anyways, I'm hitting the road, about ready to jump on the highway, and let's get up north. All right, guys, I just made it up to where I'm gonna camp tonight with the guys, and we have some serious shoveling to do. There is so much snow, it's not even funny. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can even see out my window, but there is just a ton of snow, so this is gonna be fun.
There ain't no way we're getting in that.
Oh, we will.
What do you mean?
The one on the left. All we gotta do is shovel it just enough to get our truck tires in and just to move the gate, and after we get past the plow, it'll be fine.
Oh, so?
Yeah, it was literally up to here at my boot.
There's the gate. Yeah, that's a lot of snow. That's it. Yeah, that didn't quite go to plan, but we are stuck. Sent it a little too hard. We're just trying to get it unstuck right now. A little more of a pop. Ross is just unhooking the tow rope. That little bump that Derek gave me, we got her, so gonna reevaluate, do some more digging. Wow, after all that digging, we finally got her. Whoa! Took us an hour and a half to get this, to get him backed in here and dug out far enough. Got stuck once, and oh no, keep coming.
How much further?
Keep coming. Right there. All right. We're just all warming up, chilling in the truck. Got camp set up, and gonna probably maybe watch a movie and then get a good night's sleep. Hit her hard in the morning for some fish. So a lot of snow up here. It took us about an hour and a half to get everything set up and the truck's backed in, but we got her done. We eating shit.
Here, yours doesn't want some.
God damn you.
You tell me how hot they are. You let me know.
North Carolina Reaper. I didn't know they made them. I found them at Quick Trip.
Dang.
They're not that bad. No? They're kind of sweet.
They say sweet, but I don't know.
I mean, they're a little hot.
Oh, there's definitely some bite there. I mean, it might have to stew for a little bit before you can tell, I guess. I'm not sure.
They're not that bad, though.
No.
Definitely could not eat too many of them.
They have a better flavor than, like, the Flamin' Hot, I think. But
Really?
they got the sweetness to them.
Those are good. Good old dessert from Grandma Martha. These are so good. Take some of that bite off right away.
Mm-hmm. Mmm. They're so thin.
Thank you. Grandma Martha did good.
I've never had one this thin before.
I love them.
Usually like that thick.
Good morning, everybody. Didn't hardly film last night. Didn't film anything this morning. We were in a rush. We're out here on a lake. It's supposed to rain about midday, 11, 12. So we're trying to get out here and get as much fishing as we can before the rain hits. And I'm gonna strap the GoPro on and hopefully catch some nice crappies this morning. So a little chilly, a little windy, but we're gonna grind it out until we have to stop. So there we go. Oh, felt big, dude. Damn it. Grab my bubbler and we're on to the next hole. Hey Ross, just choked it, huh? Yeah. It's a cool looking fish. That might be a nice crappie. Came up elevated. Oh yeah. That's what we're looking for. Nice fish. It's the way he came in, I figured it was. No. Yep. Here we go again. Oh no. Good eater. You want to grab more waxies before you come over? Oh yeah. Nice bluegill. Good eater. On the smaller end, but
No, I'm gonna let this one go. No, should reach it. It's good enough.
good one.
Good eater, though.
Uh-huh. Little guy. The old faithful strikes again. Whatever it is.
Nice.
Came flying up and just smashed it. Oh yeah, that's a good one.
Beauty.
Jeepers, pretty fish.
You like that?
What do you think?
He's probably 12.
Oh yeah, that's a good one.
Slab.
Put them in there. Hello. Happy Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day. I'm fishing. You want to see some fish? Holy shit. That's a good bluegill. Oh yeah. Hey. Derek, get over here. Oh my god. Look at this thing. Ross. I don't think he's that big, but he's still big. Oh my gosh. That's a beautiful freaking crappie.
They're hitting hard before the storm.
13 and a half.
Yep. Oh
13 and
yeah.
3/4. Yeah. Just a beast. Oh boy. I don't know if it's big or not. Sure feels big. I might need you over here. It feels big, dude. I don't know, maybe I'm just exaggerating, but it feels big. Oh my. Holy shit. Oh gosh, I love that so much. What the hell?
Derek, bring that tape measure over here.
Let's see what we got on this one.
13 and a half still.
Yeah. Just can't break 14.
You can see this thing up to my rod. It's a beautiful mama. Adios.
Today, I just looked at it, didn't know what to think.
We'll put the
Good
sun
pile.
on top.
Try an old venison barbecue snack stick. Pretty good. I'm gonna keep this one though. Oh my.
Ooh.
Oh yeah, that's a good one. Oh yeah.
That's a good one.
Yeah, it is.
Pretty much.
13 and a half.
13 and a half. Yeah. I don't know if it's big or not, but.
Alright, well, trying to get a couple more crappies to finish off our limit, and we got a bad storm coming, so oh yeah, I think I just saw some rain. It ain't gonna be fun. Yeah, that's it. Good limit right there. Good day, Ross. It's a good day. Nice bucket full of panfish to bring home, and now we're gonna go back to camp and start cooking, so stay tuned. Fish Camp 2023.
Hammered 'em.
We had a damn good morning. Hopefully you guys enjoy the GoPro content, and we got a lot of fillets to bring home. That was a good day.
Yes, it was.
What an awesome morning.
10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20.
Really?
Yeah, 13.
I didn't keep that one.
That was my bad.
And we let the biggest ones go.
Yeah.
That was a good day. Alright. Just took some pictures of the fish, and we're gonna get to cooking. I'm making a tortellini soup that Lauren actually found online and made it. It turned out really well, so I'm gonna try it for my first time, and hopefully it turns out. Nice thing is there's not a lot of snow on my bumper this time, so we're able to cook right on the tailgate. And I'm gonna pull this stuff out here and get to cooking. The guys are gonna help me cook, and then I think we might swing into town, and then we'll be back again tonight, camping, Ross and I. Derek's got to leave, but I'm gonna film them a little bit too, and we're gonna just get this done and get it done quick. It's supposed to rain real soon, so the faster we get done, the better. All right, still got some flopping fish, and yeah, we just caught them not too long ago. I'm gonna set this all up, probably move these fish in a second, get the stove started and start cooking. We gotta find all our ingredients. Let's see, everything we need right there. But yeah, it's a pretty nice crappie. We got some good fish today, so fish to bring home and tortellini soup to make. The cerveza of the day is just the good old Busch Light. Had to celebrate a little bit with all the fish we caught. So anyways, let's get to cooking. I got the instructions on my phone. We made a little bit of a mess last night making food. Gotta pull this stuff out. All right, here we go. Set up. All right, so for this recipe, I'll probably just leave it in the link or the description below. It's kind of a lot of reading, but we need Italian sausage right now. It says heat a large pot over medium-high heat. Add the sausage, onions, and garlic. Cook, breaking up the meat with a wooden spoon until it's brown and the onion is translucent. About 5 minutes. Drain off any excess fat. Okay. Sausage. We got our onion. And we got our garlic. Don't mind the mess in the back of my truck. Pop them open. How many do you want?
All of it?
3, 4 of them. Oh, it smells so good.
Mm-hmm.
This is gonna be really good. I hope. Kind of weird. Well, plans are changing a little bit. Rain's starting to pick up. We don't want to get soaked, so we're popping the shack up. Hopefully this will help. Oh, careful. Hopefully this will help a little bit, keep us dry, and then we'll close the tailgate up and we'll just start cooking in here. It should be definitely big enough.
Yeah, garlic, brother.
I like garlic, but I don't want you to sit there and have to worry about cutting it up little.
Well, I'll just...
Whoa, went too far. There we go. The back. Hold on a sec. This side. There we go.
Yeah.
If we can kneel down at least.
Yeah. You got seats back here.
All right. Does this go out any more on the bottom or no?
No.
All right. Should have enough light anyways, I think, from that coming in. I just leave it right here.
Yeah. Oh, let's just get
All right. This will work out pretty much perfect for what we need it for. And you guys were giving me crap in the last video for cooking on the ground. A few people did. Not everybody, but a couple. But we're just gonna have to stay dry. Even though my tailgate is now thawed out, but before that was all ice, so I couldn't lay it down flat and I wasn't gonna deal with it. So if that makes any more sense. Thank you. Now we gotta throw our Italian sausage, garlic, and our onion all in. You got a lighter, Ross? Set that there. And then we'll shut this, keep everything, all the camera equipment, everything else dry. Whoa, it's slick out here now. The roads might get a little dicey. All right, we're all in here. Garlic and onions are in. Pop open this Italian sausage. Light this, and then we gotta let it simmer for a while. Paper off. It's definitely nice being able to be in a little shelter right now with it being that wet. It says, yeah, we gotta break up the meat until it's browned. Onions translucent, about 5 minutes. You gotta drain off the fat, so. All right, that's all wet too. Thank you.
Where the hell is the lens thing?
Said wooden spoon, but I'm using this. looks really good already. Next step, we gotta whisk in the chicken stock, crushed tomatoes, and tomato paste until fully incorporated. Got some tomato paste. That. Crushed tomatoes. And then chicken stock. 1 quart of chicken stock, so
That's
32 ounces. I don't know.
a quart.
Is it? You sure? I'm not smart with it right now.
Oh wait, because 128 ounces in a gallon, 64 ounces is a half gallon, I'm pretty sure, and 32 is a quart.
Alright. And goes in chicken. Yeah, that's gotta be about right.
I mean, a quart size jar is about that, even if it's not dead nuts.
Chicken stock's in. 2 tablespoons tomato paste. Oh, 1 14-ounce can crushed tomatoes. 15 ounces, whatever. And then we need 2 tablespoons of the paste. So I'm gonna grab a fork or a spoon real quick and scoop that in. Got my spoon. I'm just gonna take a big spoon. 1, 2. Call that good. Stir this all in until it's all incorporated. I think we gotta bring it up to a simmer. Let it sit for a minute. Okay, once this is boiling, we gotta put 1 teaspoon of salt in. And I got salt and pepper right here. Just gonna dump some of this in there. And then move on to, after we put the salt in, we gotta reduce the heat, simmer and cook until slightly reduced, about 15 minutes. All right, got a good rolling boil now. I'm gonna turn it down to a simmer. I'm just gonna add a bunch of salt and pepper. All right, call that good. I don't know how much that was, but if we need to add more, we always can. It's now at a simmer. Gotta cook till slightly reduced, about 15 minutes. Then I stir in the kale, tortellini, and cream. Cook until kale is wilted and the pasta is tender, 3 to 5 minutes. So like I said, if you guys are a little bit curious on the recipe, I will put it in the description of this video because I'm not real good at explaining, but we're getting her done and it's coming along pretty good for first time, so I can't complain. Okay. We need 1 bunch curly kale, stemmed and roughly torn. Don't ask me what any of that means. So we gotta take off the, yeah, okay. And then we'll just cut it into small pieces. I don't really care. On the board, yeah. Oh, you do have the board in here.
Just 1?
No, the whole entire bunch.
Oh, this is a bunch.
Yeah, but it breaks down really easy because it's just like withers.
You want me to stem a bunch of it, Rose?
Perfect. Yeah, that's what it's supposed to look like. Oh man, I need to find bowls. You have to use collapsible bowls because I forgot that I ran out of bowls. Let's wash them out good quick. It's been simmering for about 15 minutes. Got to stir in the kale, which just chopped up and threw in this bag. Tortellini and cream. So let's see, we got our cream. Cream, tortellinis in the bag already. Thank you. And then the kale, so oh well. Heavy whipping cream. It says calls for 1 cup. Pretty sure it's about a cup, so. Then the tortellini goes in. That's where the magic happens now. It's gonna get good. Now we just, it says on here to cook it until the kale is wilted and the pasta is tender, about 3 to 5 minutes. Ladle the soup into bowls, sprinkle with Parmesan, which I got Parmesan right here, and red pepper flakes, which we don't have, but we have hot sauce if somebody wanted it, and then, yeah, serve it. So About 5 more minutes and this should be done. Looking good. Should be about ready to dish up into our little collapsible bowls. We'll be eating pretty good here in a minute. It's real smoky in here.
Yeah.
If you want, go ahead and
Scoop some of it.
dish up. Just gonna have to scoop it and then pour some soup.
That'd be enough. Solid shit. You want some here?
Yeah. Does look pretty good.
Yeah.
Can't forget about the Parmesan on top. You just don't.
Let's wipe it up in this
Some of the juice in there.
Yeah.
That's good.
Cheese. One more.
Oh, that's good.
All right, hold yours over here, Derek.
Good enough.
Super hot, but super good. So good.
Good deal. You're next.
I ain't got a spoon.
So hot.
Yeah, it is hot.
Hopefully that kale's soft enough.
It is.
Oh, yeah, that's really good.
Good deal.
Good stuff.
All right, I'm gonna dish up now. Got my bowl right here. Pour some of the sauce. You guys you can't really see it, but some cheese on top. Voila. Everybody good? Good deal. All right, here we go. Scooping in for the first bite. Ah, that was hot. Oh.
Other than these bowls tasting
Yeah.
a little dusty, they taste good. You do get a little. Do you taste it, or is it just a smell that a dusty smell?
It is really good though. Eat a lot of this quick, and then not sure what we're gonna do yet. Wow. These little bowls do kind of come in handy when you need them. Collapsible. They're not the most sturdy thing, but they work. There you go. Nice close-up shot. Good stuff. Kale's nice and soft. Sausage kind of hits in pretty good, and then you got the cheese on top, mozzarella. Blends it all together. All right, we just got done eating. Time for dessert. Don't mind the messy truck. Thanks to Grandma Martha. Some homemade Special K bars for dessert. These things are awesome.
I'm good. I'll eat some later
One.
tonight.
Come on.
No, I'm good.
Better take one for us. You gotta make up for his.
I'll have another myself.
Better take 3 then. There you go. So good. Anyways, we're gonna pack this down, hang out with Derek for a while, and then he's gonna dip out, and then Ross and I are staying the night. So, all right, Ross and I are last men standing. Just gonna putz around. Derek's taking off.
Hitting the road.
Thanks for coming, man.
Yeah, no problem. It was a good
It's a good time. Got some nice fish, had some good food, and we'll definitely do it again. So
Yeah, certainly.
he's peeling off, and we're just gonna putz around for the rest of the day. Not sure what we're gonna do yet, but we'll see you guys at some point. All right, guys. After Derek left, Ross and I just hung out, fell asleep, and now it's almost 3 in the morning. And we didn't even watch a movie. Oops. But yeah, anyways, that's the status, and overall it was a fun day.
I'm gonna go back to bed and see you guys bright and early. Good morning, everybody. It's about 7:30. And we're gonna hit the road back. We got a couple hour drive home. Didn't film much last night. Ross and I ended up driving around. We stopped at a bar. And he was just sleeping. Came back. And I passed out, so. Didn't watch a movie last night. We watched one the night before. I can't remember what the heck it was called. But it was pretty good. Anyways, I'm gonna pack up here, get the reflectix off. And somebody's asking me about my sleeping arrangements in the back seat, and I'll have to do it when it's a little bit more organized. We got stuff everywhere right now because Ross and I, we have a lot of stuff, so I will definitely explain how I have my bedding and stuff laid out and how actually I'm able to sleep back here, but got the fan running too. Turn that off here. Wipe the windows down and head home. A lot of condensation again. I have a towel somewhere. Where are my socks now? Fit cold. Wet sock. Here. Oh. Got a new crack in my windshield. Gonna have to get that fixed here one of these days. Blame Ross. Always blame me. Alright, guys, we are just pulling out here. Then we gotta lock the gate. And we're gonna be on our way home. A lot of snow up here. Yeah, it's pretty nasty. Wind setting in. Got some pretty good sleet on the roads. Alright guys, we were on the road finally. I apologize for the not good video last night. We got back. I ended up passing out pretty early. Pretty tired. It was about 9:30 I think when we went to bed, or when I went to bed. But we had a busy day of fishing yesterday. We got soaked. And it was worth it though. Caught a lot of nice fish, a lot of good crappies. Hopefully you guys will enjoy that part of the video. And yeah, like I said, we're on our way. Got a couple hour drive ahead of us. And get back, and then Lauren has to go to school, so we gotta get back. Otherwise we would have fished this morning too, but all of our clothes are soaking wet, so that wasn't the best plan anyways. It's been real cold. The roads are gonna get crappy. Look how much sleet we already got on the roads from last night. But anyways, see you guys down the road. Raining and snowing. It's coming down pretty decent. Can't really see it on here, but groggy morning. You want me to hold on to it? Eat one. Alrighty guys. I just dropped Ross off at home. And I gotta get home. I'm on a time crunch, so I'm kind of in a hurry. But overall, that trip was great. Had a blast. I'm glad we did it. It was definitely a drive, but it was well worth it. And I'm gonna have to wait and do it in a different video. I'll do more of a overview of my back seat and whatnot and how I sleep back there. But this video is gonna be pretty long as is, so I'm gonna hold out. I'll do that in a future video.
I'll explain more about how I sleep back there, just because I don't want this video to be too terribly long. I got a big mess to clean up when I get home, and I'll probably have to stick the dehumidifier in here again because it's still pretty damp. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I really appreciate all of your support, and the channel is going pretty well. Almost to 1,100 subscribers now, which is awesome. We just hit 1,000 last week, so keep rolling and keep getting videos out for you guys. So thank you again, and I'll see you on the next one.